name is Claudia. What just turned off? 1, 2, isn't, maybe you should open this. Claudia, Dottie, we like to party. Welcome to Claudia Cosmetics. My name is Claudia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup look / everyday go-to look. I love to wear this look to go to work or go to dinner. This look is super easy, sophisticated, and sexy. You can really dress this look up by adding a smoky eye or a bolder lip, or you can really simplify it by skipping the foundation or adding a lighter lip. You can really customize this look to make it your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. First, I went in with my toner. This really helps even out my skin and minimize my pores. Now I'm going in with the Kylie Dinner Eye Cream for all of my baggage and last night's sin. Now I'm going in with my moisturizer. NYX foundation brush. It is rated a 5 out of 5 stars. This is by far one of my favorite must-have products. Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This foundation is rated a 4.8 out of 5 stars. They do have over 50 shades. This is my absolute favorite foundation, rated number 1 for oily skin and concealing flaws and scars. This is a really good buffing brush, so good for covering large areas, as you can see. Super soft bristles and easy to clean. This is a really good brush for liquids and powders. I did go ahead and bronze my face. I applied some blush, my COVERGIRL Instant Cheekbones. I used mine in the shade Refined Rose. And real quick, I want to talk about my eyebrow palette. This is the Pixi eyebrow palette. It is super versatile. It is super pigmented, lasts all day. You get 6 different shades. Great for blondes and brunettes. Great for light, medium, and dark skin. Super customizable. This is one of my favorite brow products. Cruelty-free, vegan formula. So good. I love Pixi. This is one of my favorite brands. Go ahead and send me all your PR if needed. Pixi, I love you. Shout out to Pixi. Go check them out. I'm trying to get sponsored by Pixi. Hello, Dad. Pues aquí haciendo un YouTube video. Damn! Okay, pues I voy. Alright, bye. For watching. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Have a great day, my beautiful friends. Thanks for watching.